Hello, my dear friends. This is your Deepak. I welcome you all to Manvita Edgeverse. In this session, we are going to discuss about unit digit. You may write any competitive exams like banking, railways, staff selection, LIC, JIC, or any campus placement test. This chapter carries minimum 1 to 2 questions. And the concepts we are going to learn in this chapter, we are going to apply in many of the chapters of numerical aptitude. Hence, this chapter is a key for your numerical aptitude. My dear friends, first initially we are going to discuss about the concepts, then we are going to discuss about the shortcuts and tricks. Later, we will solve the questions asked in many competitive exams, including in your IAS. So, without wasting much of our time, let us start the unit digit chapter. My dear friends, now we are going to discuss all the basics, shortcuts, and tricks. Once you understand the basics, we can solve any question asked in any competitive exam. Now, so first let me start with the basics of unit digit. What do you mean by unit digit? The digit which is present at the rightmost end. Okay, so unit digit is nothing but the digit which is present at the rightmost end. See here, in this number, the rightmost end is 6. Okay, so the last digit is called as unit digit. In your competitive exam, they may ask you to find out the unit digit, or they may say find the last digit. Unit digit is nothing but the last digit. Now please here, the unit digit in this number is 6. In the next number, unit digit is 8. In the next number, unit digit is 1. Hope you have understood. Unit digit is nothing but the last digit, or the digit which is present at the rightmost end. Okay. Now please observe here. I am multiplying 436 and 284. In your competitive exams, this they will ask to find out the unit digit. So you need not multiply the entire number. Please here. So 6 into 4 is 24. What is 6 into 4? 24. In 24, what is the unit digit? 4. So the unit digit is 4. We will worry only about unit digit if they ask to find out the unit digit. Okay. Next example. If in exam, okay, if they ask to find out the unit digit, see here, 964 plus 582. Okay, we'll worry only about unit digit, right? So just we'll check only the unit digit. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. I need not add the entire number. 4 plus 2 is 6. The unit digit is what? 6 in the answer. Okay, let me take another example. Now see here, 987 minus 325. So if they ask in the examination to find the unit digit, no need to subtract the entire number, my dear friends. Just check 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. So 2 will be the unit digit. So this is the concept. Okay. Next. Now please observe here. So in your competitive exams, if they ask the question like this, see, these are the basics. They won't ask simple questions like this. Okay, if you understand the logic basics, then we can take the competitive exams questions. Now please observe here, if they ask to find out the unit digit, so we'll only worry about the unit digit only. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is what? 9. So what will be the unit digit for this question? That is 9. We'll take one more example now. See, 97 into 23. So we have to find out what is the unit digit in the product. Okay. So no need to multiply the entire number. This is 7. This is 3. 7 3 times is what? 21. So in 21, what is the unit digit? 1. If they ask to find out the unit digit, just worry about the unit digit. Okay. No need to multiply or add or subtract the entire numbers. Okay. Now we'll go for another example now. See, 323 into 931 into 96. If we solve this, what is the unit digit? Now please observe here. 3 is the unit digit. Here 1 is the unit digit. Here 6 is the unit digit. Since they are asking to find out the unit digit, we'll only consider the unit digit alone. Now see here. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 6 is 18. In 18, what is the unit digit? 8. Hope you have understood. So now we are going to discuss about few more topics. Okay. Now we are going to discuss few more concepts and tricks. Friends, now I am going to discuss the most important concept of this chapter. Without any doubt, you will be able to solve any question. Okay, so based on this concept. So I am going to explain very slowly and I make you to understand this concept. So please observe here. 0 power anything. Okay, unit digit will be always 0. I repeat, 0 power anything. Okay, the unit digit will be always 0. See here, in 10, what is unit digit? 0. So 0, 10 powers square. 10 square is what? 100. What is unit digit? 0. 10 cube. What is that? 1000. What is the unit digit? 0. So that means if we have 0 in the units place, so 0 power anything is always 0. Let me take another example. 20 to the power of 353. What is in units place? 0. 0 power anything. So units place will be always 0. So this is the concept. 0 power anything is always 0. Hope you have understood. Okay. Now, 1 power anything. 1 power anything is always 1. 1 power anything is always 1. Please observe. 1 power 53. What is in units place? 1. Now, in 21, units place is 1. 21 power 368. Whatever it may be. If we have 1 in the units place, no need to worry about the power because units place is always 1. Now, in your exam, if they give the question like this, 21 power 368 or any power, what is the units place? So 1 power anything is 1. Hope you have understood. Okay. So 361 power 729 if they give. So if we have 1 in the units place, 1 power anything is always 1. So you have understood? 0 power anything is 0. 1 power anything is 1. Now we'll go for the next step. Now, my dear friends, now please observe what is 5 power anything. My dear friends, 5 power anything is always 5. 5 power anything is always 5. Please hear. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. What is in units place? In 25 units place is 5. 5 cube. 5 cube is what? 125. What is units place? 5. 5 power 4 is 625. In 625, what is the unit digit? 5. Therefore, I can say 5 power anything. 5 power anything is always 5, my dear friends. 5 power anything is always 5. Okay. Now, please here. If, suppose in exam, if they give like this, 5365 power 768. Now see here, units place is having 5. I have already discussed with you, 5 power anything, okay, will be having 5 in the units digit. I need not worry about this question. Once I say 5 is in units place, 5 power anything, so unit digit will be always 5. What is the unit digit? 5. So I can say 5 power anything is 5. What is 5 power anything? 5. Hope you have understood. Next I will go for 6. My dear friends, 6 power anything is also 6. 6 power anything is 6. Listen. 6 power 1 is 6. What is 6 square? 6 square is 36. 6 square is 36. What is the unit digit in 36? 6. What is 6 cube? 216. What is 6 cube? 216. What is the units place? 6. Therefore, I can say 6 power anything is always 6. What is 6 power anything? 6 power anything is always 6, my dear friends. Now, Suppose in your exam, if they give like this, please observe. If they ask, find the unit digit for this question. I already told you, if we have 6 in the units place, let it be any power. What is unit digit? 6. Because we know that 6 power anything is 6, my dear friends. Hope you have understood. Now, we have discussed about what is 0 power n, what is 1 power anything, what is 5 power anything, and what is 6 power anything. Now, we are going to discuss what is 2 power something, what is 3 power something, what is 4 power something, what is 7 power something, what is 8 power something, and what is 9 power something. See, I am going to discuss each and every concept. I am going to make you to understand all the concepts, and I will make you to understand all the shortcut and tricks. Once we have developed this, then we are going to solve all the questions asked in your competitive exams. Hope you have understood. Now we are going to discuss the next topic.